Okay, just to make things very clear, let's try and answer some of those questions for you. Because remember, there's a stay on the conviction for Rahul Gandhi, but it does not automatically restore his status as a member of parliament. There's still some work to be done in that respect. What happens next? Rahul Gandhi will now have to submit a report on the Supreme Court verdict to the Lok Sabha Secretariat. He will have to formally request to be reinstated as an MP. It doesn't happen automatically as many originally believed. The Lok Sabha Secretariat will study the Supreme Court verdict, and the order on Rahul's reinstatement will then be delivered by the Lok Sabha Secretariat by way of a document. There's no time limit on reinstating Rahul as MP, which is leading some to wonder whether there will be some controversy or politics on that front as well. Because remember that the no confidence motion is only a few days from now. Next week, it's on basically Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. I want to get some kind of clarity now from PDT Achary. He is arguably constitutional experts. He's former Secretary General of the Lok Sabha as well. Mr. Achary, always good to have you. Thank you very much. Sir, Rahul Gandhi's conviction in the defamation case has been stayed. Can you explain to us, from your experience in the Lok Sabha, how soon will it be, or how soon could it be, before Rahul Gandhi is reinstated as a member of parliament?
See, when Rahul Gandhi was convicted last time, the Lok Sabha Secretariat issued a notification saying that consequent upon his conviction, he stands disqualified. That notification was issued on 24th March. So now, when the conviction has been stayed by the Supreme Court, so naturally they should issue another notification saying that consequent on the Supreme Court staying the conviction of Sri Rahul Gandhi, his membership stands restored. Something like that. There should be a communication, or there should be a notification coming from the Lok Sabha Secretariat.
PDT Achary, thank you very much for getting us that input. That gives us a little bit of clarity, but it still doesn't fully answer the question in terms of what that timeline is going to look like, and that's actually going to be crucial. Now, the big questions. The path is clear for Rahul's third try for the Prime Minister's chair. Is that what his mission is going to be now? A full attempt to become the Prime Minister in 2024? Question number 2. Will Team India, the India Alliance, name Rahul Gandhi their prime ministerial candidate? You've already seen people like Nitish Kumar, MK Stalin and a couple of others say they've got no problem with Rahul Gandhi as a prime ministerial candidate. Big question number 3. Will Rahul play a leading role in Team India? Will they play a leading role in Team India? What kind of role will that be? Question number 4. Does relief to Rahul help or harm the BJP? Already the BJP is playing it safe, saying this is just standard procedure. There are many other cases against him, but they're also mocking Rahul Gandhi and saying, well, him coming back into parliament doesn't make a difference because he's got a terrible record, and at best it'll give parliament some levity. That's what senior leaders in the BJP have said on record about Rahul Gandhi gaining this relief. But I want to get a top-level political perspective on this, and no better than Rajdeep Sardesai, a consulting editor who's been tracking this story. He's actually in New. He's far away in New, tracking the after effects of the Haryana riots, but he's been kind enough to give me some time to join me for some perspective on this. Rajdeep, do you see Rahul now getting into, prime ministerial aspirant mode? How do the next 10 months look to you, sir?
Well, Shiv, Rahul Gandhi certainly has got a big breather with what the Supreme Court has said. But it doesn't necessarily mean that Rahul Gandhi automatically becomes the prime ministerial candidate of this India alliance. At the moment, my view is that the Congress within this alliance is at best a first among equals. Yes, Rahul Gandhi, to some extent, particularly post the Bharat Jodo Yatra, has acquired a certain persona as a magnet for anti-Modi forces. It was interesting that both in Patna and Bengaluru, the likes of Mamta Banerjee and other leaders from the regional fronts were reaching out to Rahul Gandhi. We are told that Arvind Kejriwal is also likely to meet Rahul Gandhi next week. So yes, Rahul Gandhi certainly is a focal point for the opposition in a sense at the moment. But to suggest that he is the Prime Minister candidate, I think would be an overstretch. I think the opposition is very wary of the fact of making this 2024 elections Modi versus Rahul. We saw what happened in 2014 and 2019. So despite the fact that Rahul Gandhi is likely now to get back his membership of the Lok Sabha, I don't see him being projected as prime ministerial candidate, but certainly it will enthuse the Congress even further. And the Congress for sure will put Rahul Gandhi right in the front of their campaign strategy. But from what I gather, the wider India alliance wants to localize this election and doesn't want to make it a personality contest or a leadership contest between Mr. Modi and Rahul Gandhi. So we'll have to wait and see how that delicate balancing act is achieved. Make Rahul Gandhi a focal point, but do not make the contest Modi versus Rahul Gandhi. That's the challenge in a way for the opposition.